One of my goals in life is to live and work in a warmer climate during the freaking cold New York winters, and then maybe head back to New York in late March.
So for the past few years, I've been trying to travel as much as possible during the winter months.
To prepare yourself for the inevitable reality of living abroad?
Yeah. So this last trip that I took over the past holidays, I decided to try mixing some work into my playtime.
And how'd that go?
Well... Oh, hello? Yeah, of course it's a good time. Let's just say it's a work in progress. I'm still getting the hang of it.
Well, how about we offer them some tips for those who are still working in the cold?
Great idea. Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Diaries of the Drunken Dumbells with Di and my sidekick, Gio. And today we're going to be talking about work and play.
Our first tip, decorate your workspace.
A messy workspace is a sure recipe for stress.
You spend a huge amount of your time at work, so it's important not to hate your workspace.
If you want to enjoy being at work, try adding some flair and pizzazz to your work so that it shows your personality and it starts to feel enjoyable to be there. Number 2, go out together.
If you can't relate to your coworkers as human beings and build positive relationships,
your career will suffer. Going out together as a team is a great way to form relationships outside of the office.
And this can inspire collaboration back at the office.
Number 3, celebrate those small wins.
Instead of griping about how the day is dragging and how your boss sucks,
maybe focus on the positive aspects of your workplace. And if there are none, maybe you should just quit right now.
I'm out of here.
Acknowledge coworkers for even small wins and don't be afraid to brag about your own accomplishments.
Yeah, exchange feedback with your coworkers so you let them know you value their opinions.
Wow, you did a really good job on that project, Gio.
Thanks, but you're really good. Yours really
No, yours was awesome.
Oh, you're like the lord of projects.
You're like the snow queen of projects. You're awesome.
Number 4, take and encourage hobby breaks.
Everybody has something that they're passionate about, so why not take some mini breaks from work and work on yours?
It's a great way to relieve stress and recharge your battery.
And offers a chance to bond over common interests with other coworkers. And, if you're not in an environment where you can make it more enjoyable and you're absolutely miserable,
maybe you can consider this a sign to get the bleep out of the job.
out of the job or out of Dodge. That was actually a good pun.
Thanks again, y'all, for tuning into another episode of Diaries of the Drunken Dumbells with Di and my sidekick, Gio. And for more tips, visit besteverywhere.me. We're going to get back to work now.